Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the movie and Steam environment. Pick a supported video, VP8/WebM or MP4 with H. 264 often works, transcode if needed. Once done, back up the original startup movie and any theme files so you can revert. Make sure the new file name and extension match the original's expectation, and verify file permissions so Steam can access it. If you're on Linux, use chown and chmod. On Windows, run Steam as administrator to avoid access errors. Now you perform the replacement and configuration. Locate the exact video used by Big Picture inside the Steam installation or active skin folder. Themes sometimes override SteamUI. Once located, replace the original file with your prepared movie using the exact file name and container. Make sure resolution matches the UI's expectations to avoid stretching. If the skin includes a manifest or configuration file, update its reference to your custom movie and save. Restart Steam, finish by testing and addressing problems. Launch Big Picture mode and watch the startup movie. Note audio sync, black frames, or missing playback. If it fails, make sure the container and codec are supported by your system and Steam's renderer. Re-encode to a known good format like WebM if needed. Check Steam logs for errors and ensure file permissions weren't reset. Once playback is clean, keep your backup and document file names and settings so you can reproduce or revert quickly if an update overwrites files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.